Luxury fashion is often seen as a symbol of elegance, wealth, and craftsmanship, but behind every exotic leather jacket lies a long and highly detailed manufacturing journey. In today's documentary-style story, we'll explore the complete process of how crocodile leather is transformed into one of the world's most expensive luxury jackets. From crocodile farms and leather tanning to pattern cutting, stitching, polishing, and final quality inspection, every step demands precision, patience, and extraordinary craftsmanship. This is the hidden world behind a $30,000 crocodile leather jacket. The journey begins at specialized crocodile farms. These farms raise crocodiles under controlled conditions, mainly for their highly valued skin. Saltwater crocodile skins are among the most expensive exotic leathers in the world because of their unique scale patterns, durability, and luxurious texture. Not every crocodile skin becomes luxury leather. Only carefully selected skins with minimal scratches, balanced scale patterns, and perfect texture qualify for premium fashion products. Even a tiny mark or damaged scale can reduce the leather's value dramatically. For a single full crocodile jacket, multiple crocodile skins are often required. Large jacket panels, sleeves, collars, and symmetrical patterns demand carefully matched leather pieces. This is why the title says 6 crocodiles may be needed for one luxury jacket. After selection, the skins are preserved using salt and cooling techniques to prevent decomposition during transportation. They are then shipped to specialized tanneries where the transformation from raw hide into luxury leather truly begins. Inside the tannery, workers first soak the skins in large drums of water and cleaning agents. This process removes salt, dirt, blood, and natural oils while restoring moisture to the skin. Proper hydration is extremely important because uneven hydration can affect the final leather quality. Next comes the liming process. The skins are treated with chemical solutions that loosen unwanted tissue, soften the material, and prepare it for deeper processing. During this stage, technicians carefully monitor temperature, timing, and chemical concentration to avoid damaging the delicate scale structure. Once cleaned, the skins move through several chemical baths designed to neutralize the material and stabilize the collagen fibers. Enzyme treatments help improve softness and flexibility while preserving the natural beauty of the scales. Then comes tanning, the most critical stage in leather production. Luxury crocodile leather is commonly chrome tanned. During this process, tanning chemicals penetrate deep into the skin fibers, making the leather durable, flexible, and resistant to decay. This stage can take several days. Once completed, the material becomes what the industry calls wet blue leather. After tanning, workers shave the leather to achieve a perfectly even thickness. Precision machines remove microscopic layers while preserving the natural scale pattern. Since crocodile leather is extremely expensive, even a small mistake can result in massive financial loss. The leather then undergoes dyeing and finishing. Some luxury manufacturers maintain the natural crocodile appearance, while others receive custom colors like deep black, dark brown, emerald green, or glossy burgundy. Coloring exotic leather is a highly skilled operation. The dye must spread evenly across both soft skin and hard scales without creating visible inconsistencies. Once dyed, the skins are carefully dried under controlled humidity and temperature conditions. Uneven drying can warp the leather or create stiffness. Workers constantly inspect the material by hand to ensure softness and flexibility remain perfect. After drying, the leather receives oils and finishing treatments that enhance shine, texture, waterproofing, and durability. Some luxury manufacturers use glazing machines to create a mirror-like glossy surface that gives crocodile leather its iconic appearance. At this point, the raw material has finally become premium exotic leather, but the jacket itself has still not been made. Now the process enters the tailoring and craftsmanship stage. Inside the workshop, experienced pattern makers begin planning how every section of the jacket will be cut. This is one of the most difficult parts of production because crocodile scales vary across the body. The center belly area contains the most symmetrical and valuable scales. These sections are usually reserved for the front panels of the jacket, where appearance matters most. The side sections may be used for sleeves or less visible areas. Luxury brands spend enormous amounts of time matching scale patterns perfectly. Symmetry is essential. If the left and right side of the jacket don't visually balance, the product loses value immediately. Once the layout is finalized, craftsmen carefully cut the leather using hand tools and precision blades. Unlike ordinary leather, crocodile skin cannot simply be mass-cut by machines because every scale pattern is unique. After cutting, workers begin assembling the jacket piece by piece. High-end, exotic leather jackets are often stitched almost entirely by skilled artisans rather than automated factory systems. The sewing process requires extreme care because crocodile scales are thick, uneven, and difficult to stitch through. Special industrial sewing machines are used to handle the dense leather while maintaining perfectly straight seams. The craftsmen constantly inspect thread tension, stitch spacing, and panel alignment. Even the smallest imperfection can force an entire section to be redone. The inner lining is then added. Premium jackets often include silk, satin, or soft lambskin interiors to maximize comfort and luxury feel. Next comes zipper installation, collar shaping, sleeve attachment, and edge finishing. Each completed jacket then undergoes multiple rounds of polishing and inspection. Workers carefully examine every scale, every stitch, and every seam under bright lighting. Any visible flaw, even tiny scratches or uneven coloring, may disqualify the jacket from being sold as a top-tier luxury product. This extreme quality control is one reason why exotic leather fashion is so expensive. But there's another major reason: rarity. Crocodile leather production is extremely limited compared to ordinary cow leather. Raising crocodiles, preserving skins, tanning exotic hides, and handcrafting luxury garments require specialized labor, strict regulations, and enormous time investment. Some luxury crocodile jackets can take weeks or even months to complete from start to finish. By the end of the process, what started as raw reptile skin has transformed into a handcrafted luxury garment worth thousands of dollars. For many buyers, these jackets represent status, exclusivity, and elite craftsmanship. However, exotic leather fashion also remains controversial. Animal rights organizations have criticized crocodile farming in luxury skin production practices, raising ethical concerns about animal welfare in industrial farming conditions. At the same time, supporters argue that regulated crocodile farming helps maintain controlled populations and supports specialized industries in craftsmanship traditions. Regardless of perspective, one thing is undeniable: the craftsmanship behind these luxury jackets is incredibly detailed. Every stage, from farming and tanning to cutting, sewing, polishing, and inspection, demand remarkable human skill. What appears as a surface luxury fashion item is actually the result of countless hours of labor, engineering, artistry, and precision manufacturing. And that is the hidden story behind one crocodile leather jacket worth $30,000.